Mommy's coming down. You wait for Mommy. Hey, you wait for Mommy. Okay, up you go. Take that remote control with you. Silly boy. What's that?
Mama.
Hi. If you crawl closer, you'll be able to see what it is. Yeah. Oh. There you go. Put it up there. Climb one more step. Good job. Whoops. Keep going. Keep going. Good job. Oh dear. Here. Good job, Benjamin. You're getting faster and faster at this. Go get it. Go get it. Oh, you're falling on your knees, slipping on your knees. Oh, don't go that way. Don't go that way. Look. Good job. Now you're climbing off to the side. Is there a baby in there? Oh, where'd the baby go? Can Mommy reach this? Oh, wrong direction. There. Is there a baby in there? Look. Now before you can reach the camera, I better turn it off and move it out of the way. Say bye-bye, good climber.